Hi everybody, I'm Susan from louisvuitton.style. Welcome into my channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I appreciate it. I do vintage luxury, and I also do random things like I'm a gamer, so I do like Nintendo things, the Switch, 3DS, just a whole gambit of fun things. So if you like that kind of video, go ahead and hit the bell notification to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the fun. And I also do Makeup Monday, so look, check me out on Monday when I give you some tips of 10 minutes or less. So that's kind of my channel, and I'm in Canada where the weather isn't the best. Today it's raining. Go figure. All right, so I was tagged by Andrea's World. She's great. I'll leave her channel below regarding the 5 luxury starter pieces for your collection, what you would basically start with if you were going to start over. I've only been collecting for about 4 years. All my luxury items are vintage. I have purchased a few new things from the boutique, but they were mostly SLGs. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started with the first one. Oh, and this was created by Leah Petite, and I'll leave her information in the description as well. All right, let's go ahead and get to the first one. All right, my first bag was a LV Speedy 30 in mono canvas. I wanted that bag all my life. I didn't get that bag until I was 55. I'm 59 now. All right, so I was really happy to get it. I got it off eBay. I didn't realize the condition was pretty bad. I was just excited to get the bag. I didn't really care. All right, so I got the bag, and then after some time, the handles started like peeling and getting really rough, and because I live in Canada, which it rains a lot, Pochette isn't the best for this kind of weather. So I was able to get everything replaced on it, but I learned a very valuable lesson is that I could have bought a new bag for the price that I paid, plus had it repaired. So just be aware of that. All right, so if I was going to start over, my first bag would be the Speedy 25 in EPI leather, and it would still be green, and it would still be vintage. This bag is from the 90s, and I cannot find any wear on this. It's a pretty amazing bag. I get a lot of compliments on it. I would highly recommend EPI leather over canvas, especially regarding weather. Now, if you had nice weather all the time, then you'd be fine, basically. All right, my second bag, I do have this in canvas as well, but I don't use it as much as I use this one. And this is my Noir or Black EPI Leather GM No Way. And this is also from the 90s. There's like hardly anywhere on this bag. The only thing I can find is there's a couple little marks on the front, which is pretty normal. But other than that, I don't see anything else, basically. Okay, that's my second one. All right, now I received this from a lady on an auction site. She lived in New York. She bought this at Macy's in the 90s. This is also a 90s piece. I had the tab replaced and I had the strap replaced because it was starting to separate and it was so black that you couldn't really do anything with. I purchased this for $50 shipped, and it's like in excellent condition. No rips, no tears, no nothing. So this was one of my first pieces. Okay, so this is the Pochette Accessoires, and if you can find one, they're very hard to find. I would highly recommend buying one. Even if it's really black with the vachetta, you can have that replaced and you still have a beautiful pochette. Another thing that I do is I purchased this strap. It's a shoulder strap. It's an LV strap. And then I hook it to the ends here. Pretty simple. Okay, and then it turns in to a little bag. And by doing that, you can save a lot of money by using this as several different things, a bag, a pouch, cosmetic, you name it, you can use it basically. But I would highly recommend this. You don't necessarily have to buy a LV strap. They have a lot of great straps on eBay you can check out. The only thing is that the clasp, you have to make sure that it's gonna fit here, so you may want to do some measurements just so you don't get a strap and it's too small and you can't use it for anything. Alright, so that's that one. Alright, let's get into the SLGs. Alright, everybody needs a card holder. This I purchased from new, this is new from the boutique. This is Fuchsia and Monogram. Right in there. And you get a couple of card slots here, maybe put some money in here. I wouldn't suggest putting any coins in this because it's not really designed for that. But yeah, you definitely want either a card holder or some sort of clay. Now, I have this in Monogram. This is pretty user-friendly. It holds a lot of cards. It also, get the keychain out here. It will also hold your keys, thusly. Alright. This you can use for so many different things. I'm using this as a wallet, but it's just pretty much endless. And you can also get this in EPI, and you can also get it in leather. So I have the EPI one, that's the Noir or Black, and I use it with my EPI GM Noe. So it works out pretty cool. Alright, and last but not least, definitely need a wallet. I had a zippy wallet, it was way too big. I would probably, if I was going to start over, I wouldn't start with the zippy wallet, which I did. I sold that, thank goodness. And that was a very hard wallet to sell because I guess a lot of people are going to the compact. So unless you need a lot of stuff, I would probably go this route because this will fit in every bag and it even fits in some of the smaller bags. So I would probably go this route. This wallet is not made anymore, but they do have a Zoe wallet, and they do have a couple other compact wallets, and they do have the new giant collection, and it has the zipper coin purse, so you may want to check that out online. But this one is the Helene wallet, and I got this from a private seller on eBay. She didn't even use it. It's not even, the card slots aren't even worn. And this is a pretty cool wallet. It gives you coins, which is in here. It gives you card slots, and you do have quite a few. You have some down there as well. And then you also have an area for bills, and you don't have to fold them in half. So if you can find something similar, I mean, it's just like nowhere. It's pretty amazing. And this is definitely not new, but she gave me the box and everything, so. All right, that's my 5th item. All right, if you have any questions, please leave them below, any comments. I appreciate it. What would you start with if you started over your collection? Have you learned anything new? I've learned a lot, actually. Until next time, thanks for watching LVM More, and I hope everybody has a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.